We want to solve 2x plus 5y plus 3z is negative 1, 2y minus 3z is 4, and x minus 3y plus z is equal to 6. Let's call the equations 1, 2, and 3. And in this case, we can see that 2 doesn't contain an x. So it would be nice to get rid of x between the first and third equations, which we can do by doing equation 1, take away 2 lots of equation 3. So what we're doing here is 2x plus 5y plus 3z equals negative 1. And we're going to take away from that 2 lots of 3, which is 2x minus 6y plus 2z is equal to 12. And if we do that subtraction, the x's will go, which was the whole point. Then you've got 5y take away negative 6y, which gives us 11y. 3z take away 2z gives us a single z. And then negative 1 take away 12 is negative 13. So now we have equation 2, which is 2y minus 3z equals 4. And 11y plus z is equal to negative 13. So this was equation 2, and let's call this one number 4. And then what I can do is equation 2 plus 3 lots of 4. So equation 2 is 2y minus 3z is equal to 4. And then 3 lots of 4 is going to be 33y plus 3z is equal to negative 39. Now, because we've got the negative 3z and the plus 3z, this time we'll get rid of z. Adding them, we get 35y's, and we'll get negative 35. And that tells us that y equals negative 1. And then we can work our way back up. So, for example, let's use number 4. If we use number 4, we're going to get negative 11 plus z is equal to negative 13. And that gives us z is negative 2. And then using both of those, let's go to one that contains x, like number 3, for example. And we can say, well, x plus 3, if y is negative 1, take away 2 is equal to 6. So that gives me x plus 1 equals 6. And therefore x would be equal to 5. And we can solve that system on the class pad. So if we go to main and clear out anything that we've got there, on Math 1 we have this, which is our simultaneous equation solver. When we have 3 equations, just click it again and you get a third one. And then we need to put our system of equations in. Our system was 2x plus 5y plus 3z equals negative 1. And then the second equation was just 2y take away 3z, that's equal to 4. And the last one is x minus 3y plus z is equal to 6. We have to tell it here that we're solving for x, y, and z, and then it will just do it. 5, negative 1, and negative 2.